Good day, everyone. My name is Hanis NAJIHAH, and today I will present my systematic review entitled The Effectiveness and Challenges of DNA Phenotyping in Criminal Cases. Traditionally, forensic genetics relies on STR profiling, which is considered the gold standard for human identification. However, this method is limited when a suspect has no prior criminal record and is absent from national DNA databases. To address this limitation, forensic DNA phenotyping (FDV) uses genetic markers known as SNPs to predict an unknown individual's physical appearance and ancestry from biological evidence. The objective of this review was to evaluate the effectiveness, accuracy challenges, and ethical concerns associated with DNA phenotyping in criminal investigation. This systematic review followed the PRISMA framework. Literature was searched from major databases, including PubMed and ScienceDirect, covering studies published between 2008 and 2026. From 70 records identified, 15 high-quality studies were selected for the final review. The findings showed that DNA phenotyping performs best when predicting pigmentation traits. Systems such as iris plex and Hesha iris plex S demonstrated very high accuracy in predicting eye, hair, and skin color, particularly for blue or brown eyes, red hair, and darker skin tones. However, prediction accuracy decreases for intermediate traits such as green eyes or blonde hair. More complex traits, including facial structure and height, remain less reliable and are still largely experimental. In addition, epigenetic methods can estimate biological age with reasonable accuracy. Despite these advantages, several challenges remain. DNA regression, mixed DNA samples, and limited population diversity in existing databases can reduce prediction accuracy. Furthermore, DNA can account for non-genetic changes such as hair dye, cosmetic procedure, or lifestyle factors. Ethical and legal concerns are also significant. Inaccurate prediction may lead to profiling discrimination, privacy violation, and the risk of investigator placing excessive confidence in probabilistic prediction. In conclusion, forensic DNA phenotyping is a valuable investigative tool for generating leads when conventional DNA uh, databases searches fail. However, it should not be used as standalone evidence in court. Future implementation should be supported by strict regulation, protection of genetic privacy, and clear limitation on its use to ensure ethical and responsible application. Thank you for your attention.